Hello, everyone. Welcome to this workshop on alcohol consumption. My name is Victoria Salazar, and today I'm going to guide you on some points related to our main topic. We will discuss about binge drinking and the short and long-term effects of alcohol consumption. Before starting, I want you to think about what do you currently know of alcohol consumption. After you're done reflecting, I want you to keep in mind this question. I'll give you a few seconds. Okay, let's begin. Maybe some of you may have heard about the term binge drinking, and if not, don't worry, we're going to clear our doubts right now. Binge drinking refers to the consumption of 5 or more drinks on a single occasion for men, or 4 or more drinks on an occasion for women. Sometimes the binge drinking sessions can take people to consume at least 8 drinks. Now, I'll make your question. Do you know what age range most commonly binge drink? You don't need to get an exact answer. Just try to guess. We'll see the answer in a few seconds. Okay, so let's see the answer. So binge drinking is most common among younger adults between 18 and 34 years old. Can you imagine the health effects that those higher quantities of alcohol make to your body when people binge drink? Let's take a close look to these effects. And for that purpose, we're going to look first at the short-term effects and then the long-term effects. On the short-term risks, we have motor vehicle crashes. Unfortunately, this is a very common situation in which many times people's lives are highly at risk. We also have alcohol poisoning. In fact, an average of 6 people die of alcohol poisoning each day in the US. Now we have violence. This one can include homicide, suicide, intimate partner violence, and sexual assault. Now we have also risky sexual behaviors. These behaviors can result in unintended pregnancies or sexually transmitted diseases, including the HIV. Some others are falls and drownings. Now we're going to look at the long-term risks, and we can find liver disease, heart disease, cancer such as breast, mouth, throat, esophagus, voice box, liver, colon, and rectum. We can find also mental health problems, weak immune system, learning and memory problems, social problems, and strokes. As we could see, the effects of consuming alcohol make people vulnerable to suffer from accidents, chronic diseases, and even death. I want to share a short video with you to reinforce what we have learned.
We explain what alcohol does to your body. This is Michael.
Okay, sorry.
We explain what alcohol does to your body. This is Michael. He enjoys going out and drinking at the weekend, sometimes a bit more than he should. He's worried that it might be affecting his health. What exactly is alcohol doing to him? Michael knows that alcohol is used to describe beverages containing ethanol. Depending on their amount and volume percentage, some drinks are stronger than others. The intoxicating effects of alcohol are caused by ethanol entering the bloodstream faster than the liver can break it down, thus changing the signals sent from the brain to other parts of the body. This causes the euphoric and relaxed experience of being drunk, but it also has its risks. Lower doses of alcohol cause Michael to lose his sense of balance and ability to make decisions. He might even be sick because alcohol can irritate the stomach and have a negative effect on the inner ear. Higher doses of alcohol are far more dangerous, particularly if consumed regularly, because areas of the brain responsible for breathing, heart rate, and temperature control begin to shut down. Long-term problems can include addiction, liver disease, high blood pressure, and cancer. Alcohol's effect upon the central nervous system can lead to coma and even death. To minimize damage to health and society, each country has its own laws on alcohol, including the amount Michael can drink before driving a vehicle on the road. They may also have guidelines for how much alcohol is safe to drink each day. Michael is glad that he now knows the dangers of alcohol and how it affects his body. So, if you consume alcohol, drink responsibly.
Okay, so I think now we have a clearer uh, vision of the effects of alcohol consumption. And like Michael from the video, we have more knowledge now and we can take informed decisions about our health related to this topic. And now I want to share with you a phrase,
We
and it is think before you drink. I know it's short, it's a short phrase, but it's really powerful and it always comes to my mind when talking about this topic because I think it helps to reflect and it can help us to take better decisions. Um, Now want to make you a last question for you, and I want you to write down what you think about alcohol consumption now that you know its effects. I'll give you a few seconds. Great. Now, I want to thank everyone for your attendance. Thank you for coming to this workshop. And if you want to get more information about this topic, you can visit the website displayed on the screen. Again, thank you so much. And I hope everyone enjoyed this workshop and see you next time.